you can see, we are on USD chart 15 minute. What we can see right here is beautiful this uptrend. Okay, I will not move the chart so you can see clearly what I did. What we have right here, we have this highs right here, potential equal highs, and we got sweep of that. Why? Because we got this push to the upside. Okay, this one, we got this push, and then we got this big wick, and on the left side we have 1 hour POI, and we hit that, and we have this liquidity sweep also right here of this candle, and then again we are in down move. So we made the break of structure right here and right here of these lows, and what we have right now, we have this fair value gap right here, and we have this beautiful supply zone. It's M15 POI. Okay, so why is this supply zone valid? Because it makes this move to downside. We have this gap, we have this liquidity to be taken, these highs, this one, this one, this one, this one, and then what price did? Price fast move, it moved fast to the upside to grab that liquidity. Okay, there's a lot of liquidity right here, and what we see right here, we didn't get this M15 POI. Why? Because we are forming liquidity right now, right here. Okay, and it's the beginning of the new day, and it's the open of the Asia session in my time zone. Okay, so what we have right here is this liquidity forming, Asia accumulation. Okay, let me just mark that like this, and it's all the way to the 6-7 a.m. right here. Okay, let me just change the color so you can see clearly, and that's the consolidation right here. Okay, Asia session is consolidation and it's forming liquidity, so we can grab some buy side liquidity or sell side liquidity and then move to the opposite side. Okay, so we have this liquidity forming right here to be taken to the upside, right? Why? Because we have this M15 POI, and with that POI we made this break of structure right here, M15 break of structure, and we have gap right here. Okay, so what we can see that when we form this Asia session in the pre London Open, we have this manipulation to the upside to this POI, like in the half of this POI, and then we can go on smaller time frame, find some entries and aim for this liquidity right here, for this sell side liquidity. Why? Because people look at this like a trend line. Okay, this is like trend line to the upside, and then all of that liquidity is taken right here in this move. Okay, what we can also do right here on the 1 minute, I can go on the smaller time frame, I'll show you. We also can aim this M15 POI. Okay, because this POI made this big move, break of structure, again liquidity sweep, and liquidity to be taken right here. Okay, and what we did, if we joined on this manipulation, we know this manipulation is gonna do, we can go on smaller time frame to find some entries. Let me just check. We have also look on 5 minute, redefine the fair value gap. Okay, and we could enter on the half of that fair value gap. If we want to be like snipers, then we go on 1 minute, we wait for that change of character, break of structure to the downside from this POI. Okay, we have this manipulation starting at 7 a.m. It's like Frankfurt right here. We have this push to the upside, and now we are waiting just the last low to be broken, and we can enter all the way to the downside. As you can see right here, we have that break of structure right here. It's M1 break of structure, okay. And what we can see right here, we can see that we took this high, this little high right here. This is higher low, higher high, higher low, and this higher high got taken. And then we got this move to the downside, and we made this change of character. And what we can see, what made that change of character, is this M1 POI or M1 supply. So this is M1 supply, like this. And we could enter right here, stop loss above this high to be secure, and we can aim all the way to this Asia session lows, or even to this M15 POI, as you can see. And this could be the almost 13 risk reward trade for today. So that's it, guys. Power of 3, like I'll just make on the chart. You have accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Like when price wants to go down to the downside, price will always go first to the upside to take liquidity and to like manipulate with the people who trade breakouts. You know, like they see breakout right here with the candles, blah blah blah, and they enter like long right here, long right here, long right here, long right here, and what happens? They got stopped out instantly, because when distribution happens, it happens really fast. So you cannot turn off the trade. You gotta get stop loss right here in this push. So that's why manipulation is so powerful. All people enter long because they think it's a breakout, retail traders breakout, and then got stopped out right here also. When price wanna move to the upside, we have accumulation, manipulation, distribution to the upside. We sweep one side of liquidity, and then we sweep the other side of liquidity in this push distribution. So this is Asia. Almost every time this is Asia. This is London, and this is New York. That's almost like every day you could find this. Like not every day, but like when you find it, it's so powerful. That's why I showed you this one. Like it's not the New York, but it's the pre-London and the London. It's like the morning, okay? So it's so easy. You gotta just practice, you know. You gotta like be on the charts, be consistent, have your risk, have your plan, and that's it, guys. Stay disciplined. See you in the next video.